Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm on the 10th floor of Rio Las Vegas in the recently renovated Ipanema Tower, a very spacious one king bed room. I'm here at the end of January 2026, enjoying very low rates in the off season or maybe slow season in Las Vegas, around $30 a night with Hyatt Globalist status, no resort fee, staying Sunday through checking out on Friday. We have a big TV on the wall, mirror, and what appears to be something like a coffee table set up in the center, and a very large couch, perhaps a sectional. A bar area on this side with a sort of fridge that's saying it's not a fridge. Nightstands on both sides of the bed. Very large lights with plugs in those lights or lamps, and a drawer on the bottom. Nice to have a table here. Good to have the table for the laptop. There are plugs to the lamp. You can run a power strip and have multiple things plugged in. And I am here checking in around 2 p.m. Maybe it's about 2:30 now. And a nice view outside. You can see the big Rio sign and the other tower. I believe the Masquerade. This is the Ipanema. And the pools outside, although the pools are not open. See what appears to be a train or various cargo going through. Get a view of that. The high roller wheel in the back. Harrah's, Caesar's Palace, Bellagio. It's a long table for makeup and other things. Only one sink, not two. A mirror for makeup, and you see the Rio art. Big mirror, lights on both sides. Soap, lotion, other items below. Safe inside of this closet. Lots of hangers and a space for luggage. Small bathroom, toilet inside of the bathroom, another sink inside the bathroom. Big mirror, stand for towels. You have to open the door, close the door to get in. It kind of obstructs where the shower is, unfortunately. It's a little bit tight. Gel, shampoo, and more hanging. An area for soap, although they're not providing it from what I see. And the shower handle. I like this setup. You can put your hand in, turn the nozzle, and test the water rather than having to go fully in on this side and get splashed. And it appears to be two nozzles as well. Nice to have the towel rack close to the shower. Certainly hasn't been the case in other places. You have to walk out, get the towels, or make sure to bring the towels in first. Get another view of the room, the large parlor type area, the king bed, table on this side. I'm excited for the stay, getting my Hyatt qualifying nights, requalifying toward Hyatt Globalist status. 5 nights for this stay, 5 nights for having the Chase personal Hyatt credit card, and more Hyatt nights through spending on the Hyatt credit cards. Good value with the low rates, requalifying towards status, and breakfast at a new place called The Kitchen in January of 2026. The breakfast hours go until 1:30. You don't have to wake up super early. And it's breakfast for you and a guest. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.